gonna have the AC hoses going through the fender?
Yeah, they're gonna run through here. He gave us a go ahead to make the...
Yeah, the shielding, yeah, that'd be cool, be real cool. Yeah, the steel will be here, I guess Tuesday, yeah. And this is all gonna be covered then. We'll make a piece that covers all this stuff, these holes.
He's got the original covers that go there, but they're kind of...
Well, whatever you do here, we need to match it here.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
We can go back with the original ones, but I'd rather have it match.
No, we have to have it matched, that's for sure. If you want to come over here and see a little bit of some bling that he's got on the motor, the front runner system, comes with its own alternator and power steering pump and AC compressor. Just adds a little brightness to your engine compartment. We got the new headers on. There's going to be all high pressure power steering hoses, radiator and fans, cool stuff. And where are you putting all his electronics? Is it going to go in the corner or is it going to go inside the car?
Probably keep it up here. I was thinking about sticking it in the corner of
That's what I think.
let the air filter.
And I think we get rid of this. That's freaking ugly.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.